How to remove Google Photos from Gmail account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to remove Google Photos from Gmail account. So in order to remove Google Photos from Gmail account, you need to follow these simple steps. First thing first, open up your Google Photos app, go to your profile icon and then go to photo settings. Here, make sure to toggle off or turn off your backup and sync through your phone's app. And after that, you need to go ahead and uninstall or disable the Google Photos app on your phone. So to uninstall it, you need to long press on it and then go to uninstall, just like that. And with this, you'll have successfully uninstalled or disabled your Google Photos app on your phone. After that, you could go ahead and delete the pics one by one in your Google Photos as well. And once you've deleted all the empty pics or the photos, then you could go to collections tab and then empty your bin. So this way you could go and remove Google Photos from Gmail account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.